What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today we want to talk about why this may or may not be the best time for you to sell your ScatPack Challenger or Charger. So let's just get right into it. So look, the thing that's crazy right now is with the manufacturing issues and the semiconductor chip issues, these cars are going for way more money used than they even were going new just 7 or 8 months ago. Now, you guys know I've had the Green Monster for 8 months now. Tomorrow will be 8 months. I've put about 20, I'll probably have 29,000 miles on it by the time I get back into Oklahoma City. And here's the thing. Love the car. Absolutely love the car. And even with the upgraded rear end, the bigger rear end that I had put into the car, which is a stock Mopar part, it's just a bigger rear end. I think it added $1,000 to the car. And I did custom order the car. As you can tell, there's not a lot of, you don't see a lot of cars with that seat and color combination, aka the TK edition or the Notre Dame edition. By the way, I got the Dream Chasing Geo merch on, by the way. If you don't know who Dream Chasing Geo is, make sure y'all go like, comment, share, and subscribe. Go hit up her channel. Do it ASAP. I'll be doing some collaborations and stuff with Geo here in the very near future as I get into Houston. But back to the video. So out the door, you know, numbers wise, order, all that stuff, I think I was at like 41,000 and some change, or almost 42,000, because I had some like custom things that I wanted done to the car. 42,000 and some change. We can get my paperwork out and look at it. Anywho's, all that doesn't matter. With 8,000 miles on the car, not one, not two, not three, but 5 separate dealers have offered me over $43,000 for this car. What does that mean? That means that I've driven this car for 8 months, city to city, state to state, raced this thing on the track, had fun with it, beat on it, and I'm getting more money than what I paid for it. Now, it's not just ScatPacks. Hellcats are the same way. Now, what's crazy is some dealers have inventory and some don't. I'm going to insert a clip right here when I was just driving through before the trip, and the lot looked like... See, I was going to say something real foul, but I'm not going to say that, because sometimes I'll just say stuff to be funny, but we are in cancel culture season, so we're not going to do that. But let's just say this. The lot looked like there was ghosts everywhere. It was a wrap. Like, it was like there's nothing there, right? You know what? F it, I'm going to say it. It looked like a room of females, and then Magic Johnson just walked in and was like, hey, nah, that didn't go over well. Yeah, I didn't think so. Anyways, let me show you out the video. So, guys, this is going to lead into why something is happening here for me on the channel. Look at these used trucks here. You can see a few of them here, right? Decent priced or whatever, right? A lot of used vehicles here at this Dodge dealership. I'm at Leaf, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram. If you notice, there isn't a Charger or a Challenger anywhere. Not a GT, not a ScatPack, not an RT, not nothing. Nothing in the showroom, nothing on the ground, nothing. Now, there is one thing I am definitely interested in, and it is that, look at this 2500 lifted Ram. That thing is pretty, man, except that fogged out headlight right there. That thing's pretty, but this is the problem that's going on right now on most lots. And if you're looking at upgrading, granted, you wouldn't be able to upgrade right this moment, but what I find interesting is, like, there's some 1500s here that are kind of base models. That's the nicest 1500 I've seen yet with the upgraded LED lights.
Everything else is pretty like tradesman. There's a Chrysler Pacifica, not like I want a minivan. There's a GT Durango, and that's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much it. There's nothing else here, and this is the same thing for pretty much every single Dodge dealership. I know Crown over in Fayetteville has a couple of Challengers and stuff left, but that's it. And it's why we're gonna get to this next part of the video. This is why we're gonna get to this next part in today's video.
See what I mean? Anyways, so where there's nothing available on dealers' lots right now, it's absolutely crazy. So hopefully you guys get an opportunity, like check it out. If you have a scat, now if you have an RT, some dealers have no Chargers or Challengers, period. But if you think you're gonna sell your RT or your SXT for more money than you paid for it, I'm sorry, I don't think that's gonna happen. But if you have a ScatPack or a Hellcat, you could literally get out of that car, and even if it's modded like mine, I have custom exhaust and all that shit, I'm still getting more money than what I paid for the car. It's pretty freaking awesome. Anyways, guys, if you found this video interesting or newsworthy or something that may help you make a decision to sell your car, let me know by smashing the thumbs up button. This was just something extra, a little something different, and I wanted to bring it to you guys today because, like, it's just absolutely ridiculous how much the values of used cars across the board. This is not just a Dodge issue, but like the Chevy dealers and Ford dealers, whatever, are like, nah, we're not doing. But Dodge is hot right now. They're hotter than fish grease, and they can't keep them damn cars in stock. And now they got no more to order. They can't get no more. So what do they got to do? They got to go get the ones that are already on the street, grab them, smack them up, flip it, rub it down, and send it out the way so they can make some money. Otherwise, you know, them dealers are going to dry up. They ain't going to have no money, and you're going to see them going bankrupt, 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 bankrupt. This will be a wrap. So, but yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and hit me up on Instagram at tksgarage. Like, take little video clips going. I want to do a video of just dealers everywhere, and I will feature your video in one of these YouTube videos in the future. Just go through your dealer and drive through your dealer and look and see what the inventory looks like. See if they got ScatPacks or Hellcats at your dealership. Anyways, with that said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.